guys, we have like an episode of the Lost Files. I forgot totally all about this haircut. So this is a fellow hairdresser and oh my gosh, like look at her hair. So we need to cut a lot off, right? It is super dry, naturally curly. It is super dry because it is naturally curly. A lot of naturally curly hair is generally pretty dry. So she has cut some thick hair and I wish I could have done a Malibu on her to remove some buildup as well, but she really wanted me to cut a lot of hair off because it really, really needed it. And like the back of her hair was so bulky. Oh my gosh. So she did want some like kind of like a stacked bob. She wanted kind of like chip choppy, but it's kind of hard to get chip choppy when your hair is so thick. But I really wanted to give her that angle forward. So I wanted to centralize everything to her stationary guide that was positioned in the back center of her head. And I literally could have cut this for days, guys. She had so much hair. It makes me so jelly because I have like no hair. It's so thin. So I'm just going to connect the back section into the front section, just going ahead and tip cutting this in. And this is not hair I like really cut straight because it will just show every cut mark for the most part. Now here I go and then cut straight. But it just depends on how I feel about something when I touch it. And if I cut it straight, I am like not like this crazy precision cutter. I am much more a sculptor when I cut hair. So when I am like literally, you'll see my fingers run through in sculpting. So here I'm going in with my notching shears and just removing more bulk. Like literally, I could never not take enough bulk out of this girl's hair. She has such thick hair. You're going to see me go into it dry here in just a second. So I'm going to miraculously, ba-bam, blow dry her hair. And so I'm just going to go in and lighten up the front. And now guys, I am using my Hikari shears. And remember, I am not this fast. I'm speeding all this up. I'm going in and notching it out again for like the 30th time. This girl's hair is so thick. So you guys see that line right there? That's driving me crazy. And I'm sure driving you guys crazy. So I have to lighten it up. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to tip cut the heck out of it. And even that wasn't doing it justice. So then I got in there with a clip. Here it's coming in a second. And I'm just going to go in and just slide cut it out and just remove more and more bulk. Yeah, I'm using like the sharpest shears in the world, Hikari scissors. They are amazing. I just actually splurged and gave myself a little special present from the hair show here in Chicago. And I got the most expensive shears I could in my entire life. And I cannot wait to cut hair with them. So I am curling her hair with my Babyliss Pro iron. Just give her a little bit of bend. And here's the finale, guys. It came out so beautiful. I absolutely love it. I did not do her color. It's her color. She needs to do it again. And actually just got it done.
Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.